Ooh, what we got here, man? Chrysler 200. Oh, we're doing a Pentastar over here. Why ain't y'all let me do this? Oh. Oh, shut up. Open the adapter housing. This all y'all like to do around here is gravy. Y'all see these used car boys? They'll do this. This is easy, okay? If it was a bit harder, they'd have been like, JT, help. Typical 3.6 ass, no big deal. Just inside of a Chrysler 200. So it was that Kent, a guy named Kent. One of my subscribers, he was telling me, this is a 3.2, guys. He was telling me the camshafts are the same as the 3.2 and the 3.6. Even though on the physical camshaft, I wish I had an old camshaft, it says on there 3.2 and 3.6. Kent says that doesn't matter. The same camshafts are used. Yeah, this was a trade-in. Somebody traded in a Chrysler 200. I wonder what they got. Guys, this is a beauty too. This is a nice one, yeah. My daughter got one, the silver one. Y'all know she got it painted. But yeah, it's got the big radio. This is a nice one here. S. I don't know what S stands for. Super. But yeah, these are nice ones, guys. These like to have a tendency to come out of proxy alignment. Y'all know what proxy alignment means? When all the modules are aligned. Just say you take your battery off to do something. You might can't start the car, might can't go into gear, and in some cases you can't even turn the car off. So you gotta be careful when you're doing. Make sure the ignition is off before you start messing with anything on the battery. All right? Yes, because you can knock modules out of a line. Hey, oh, they did some suspension work too. Okay, so it wasn't just the oil leak. Oh, that's not from a 200. That looked like a 300. Oh, this you? Oh, okay. Whoa! What the hell happened here? Come on, man. We playing Dukes of Hazzard?
I wasn't doing nothing. I literally started my shit up, my shit in drive, and I heard a popping noise.
Oh, really?
So I had to let my shit all the way here to the curb.
Damn.
Goddamn wheel. You can see the wheel was like pushed back that way. This shit was struggling on the goddamn thing. It was struggling on the upper bars and all that shit.
Yeah, you get it to align right? Oh, okay. That's what's up.
So this has been done before. Half the bolt was
What are we doing?
You know what I really love? I love when you bolt these two back and you don't do the 13, but then there's a bracket attached to nothing. What does that do?
The problem is JP already worked on this stuff.
I haven't worked on it. I don't recall. This is a nice one. This one going back on the lot? How much they want for it? Wow, God. People, used car prices are going up and people are still buying. Like I said earlier, I read an article on that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to discuss that. Oh, he finally finished with that that Cummins diesel. Remember the one he was doing the brakes on? There's nothing to run home about this, but those suspension parts came off his 200. All right. I mean Charger, the old model Charger. It's a nice one too. Uh-oh. Somebody traded in the Wrangler. Ain't no plates on it. Know what that means? Alright, before I get to the front, I mean, I want to take a guess. Can you say Pentastar 3.6? Based off the year, based off the body look in the year. Alright, enough speculating. I think it's a 3.6 Pentastar V6, and I was right. Yes, the VVT V6 power engine, guys. This one fully loaded, boy, ready for the mountains. Got the hitch on it. They don't care, they just run over. You can do a lot of pulling with this baby. I already got the, I guess it's a lift kit on it. Yeah, so look at that, the little lights on it, guys. When they do their used car inspection on this one. Yep. Oh, it's a stick. What is this? It's just a 2012. Okay. I got a lot of Wrangler owners out there on the subscription list. Y'all must really love y'all Wranglers, boy. This is a 4-wheel drive, 6-speed manual transmission with a 3.6 V6 engine. So all the power you will ever need for something like this. So you can go in the mud, play, full-size spare tire. Alright, they don't care about weight and emissions on, you know, most of the new stuff don't even have spare tires. I'm no big fan. Look at that. Y'all see that? So hold on tight, baby. Let's go for a ride. But it's no fun with this on, guys. So get this crap off and then go have you some fun. This is what Jeep riding is supposed to be. Next time I go in the mountains or the wood, I might rent one of these. I don't know if they rent them already. I might have to own one. I gotta get out in the wildlife, guys. I've been in the bubble too long. I gotta explore. There's a lot of life out there. Alright, and I want a piece of it, damn it. Okay. So, yeah, my man, guys. Alright, I got a little bit more time left on this video. This car right here, this is the young dude I was telling y'all about. Remember a while back, I told y'all notice what size engine he have in here, right? V6 with a 3.5. This is the guy, we gave him all the parts, guys. This is what I tell you about young guys. They have no drive. At least some of them, right? Look, here's the Hemi. We've been talking about converting that over to the V8 Hemi for the last 6 months. A year. No, it's been a year. That's a block, both heads. And I hope he ain't gonna use those lifters. But my point is, I don't think it's ever gonna happen because he's never even started. We got the crankshaft laying here. All of this is designed to go into this car. But I told y'all the risk behind that, right? If not, do your research, guys. It's not as simple as jacking an engine out of a car and jacking another engine into that car, even though it may bolt up. Guys, we talking about going from a V6 to a V8. Notice there's 2 extra cylinders that will be applied to this vehicle. Alright, if that computer is set up to only fire off 6-cylinder, what do you think is going to happen? Alright, a lot. Okay, in other words, you can get it to work via changing the electronics, but what about the wiring harness? Remember, the injector harness is set up a 6 of these little creatures right here. Those are called injectors. It's 4 on each side, which makes this a V8. That car only have 3 on each side, so you'll be looking at maybe an engine harness. My whole point is, if you want a car with a V8 Hemi in it, it may be best to get a car with a V8 engine in it. Alright, now I'm not trying to discourage anybody from, because this is a chore. This is a project. Right? A lot of people love to do this. It's my project car. That's my next project. I'm gonna convert that from a V6 to a V8. That's my project. Give me about 6 months and I'll have her ready. Something like that is different, okay? Because it's a chore at that point. It's a project, okay? But your everyday car, this is the everyday car. He can't afford to have this down, trying to figure out why his newly installed engine not working. No break. No. All right, I'm talking too much, but yeah, he just put some suspension parts on here. I'm back in the used car department, guys. We back here tripping, acting crazy. Some of y'all, like I say, liked when I just go off the cliff, go off the cuff, and just talk about random stuff. Well, there go your random stuff. All right, I'm going back to the other side where I belong and get some work. All right, let's get it.